Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, let's talk about that one document. You know the one. The client contract, the intake form, the one you're so tired of preparing over and over again. What if I told you that you never had to set it up from scratch ever again? Today, we're doing a deep dive into Digisigner templates, a feature that will literally give you hours of your week back.
So, here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about the problem this whole thing solves. Then, we'll get into the solution, templates. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to build your first one and add all the cool smart fields. Then we'll cover sending it off, and we'll wrap up with the best part, all the time you're about to save. Sound good? Let's jump in.
All right, first things first. Why do we even need templates? Well, let's set the stage with a scenario that I'm guessing is going to sound very, very familiar.
Seriously, think about it. That standard service agreement, that new client questionnaire, that NDA. Every single time you bring on someone new, it's the same old routine, right? You got to open a file, hunt down all the spots to change the name and the date, and then you have to carefully explain exactly where they need to sign. It's boring, it's a time suck, and honestly, it's super easy to make a mistake.
Let me introduce you to Ben. Ben's a fantastic photographer, and his business is taking off, which is awesome. But it also means he's drowning in paperwork. For every single photo shoot, he uses the same contract, and that means he's constantly doing the find and replace dance, manually typing in new client details, and saving a new version. He's not just losing time he could be spending on his actual photography, he's also living with that nagging fear that one day he'll forget to change a name and send a contract to the wrong person. It's just not a good system.
So Ben's problem, which is probably your problem too, is exactly what templates were designed to fix. This is where we stop doing that repetitive busy work and start working a whole lot smarter.
Okay, so what is a template really? The easiest way to think about it is like a master blueprint, or even better, a cookie cutter. You use the cookie cutter to make a whole bunch of new identical cookies, but the cutter itself never gets used up or changed. It's the same deal here. When you send a template for signing, you're actually sending a fresh new copy. Your original master template, it stays perfectly safe and sound in your account, ready for the next client.
All right, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty and actually build one. You're going to see just how simple this is. We're going to go through it click by click right now.
Okay, here we go. First, log in to your Digisigner account. You'll land on your main Documents page. Now look up toward the top. You'll see two tabs, Documents and Templates. Go ahead and click on Templates. Now, if you've never done this before, this screen will be empty. But not for long. Find that big Upload Template button and give it a click. Your computer's file menu will pop up. Just find your standard document, that contract or form, and select it to upload.
So for Ben, this is the moment he uploads his go-to photography contract. Once it's in the system, it'll show up in his new template list. And just let that sink in for a second. This is the last time he will ever have to hunt down that file and prepare it from scratch. Ever. From this point on, all he has to do is click Open to start adding the smarts to it.
Okay, so you've got your document uploaded, but right now it's just a static file. This next step, this is where the magic happens. We're going to add what are called smart fields to turn this thing into a guided, interactive form that's practically impossible for your clients to mess up.
So what are these fields? They're basically just little placeholders you drop onto your document. You know how you used to have to write an email saying, okay, please sign here on page 3 and initial down here? Yeah, no more of that. Fields take all the guesswork out of it. They show your client exactly where to click and what to do, guiding them through the whole process. It's completely foolproof.
Let's add the most important one first, the signature. When you're in the editor, look over on the right-hand side. You'll see a block called Add Fields. The first option is Signature Field. Click it. Your mouse cursor will change. Now just move your mouse over to the signature line on your document and click once. A little box will pop up asking you who should sign here. Just confirm it's for your signer and click Add Field. Boom! A blue box appears right on your document. You can drag it around to get it in the perfect spot and even resize it by grabbing the corners. Simple as that.
Now, why is this one little step such a game changer? Because it makes the whole process effortless and professional for your client. They get the document, they see the big, obvious Sign Here box, they click it, and that's it. No more missed signatures, no more signing on the wrong line, and no more annoying back-and-forth emails to get it corrected. It just works every time.
I mean, just look at the difference here. The before is a confusing mess. Your client gets a static PDF, and they're left to figure it out on their own. The after? That's a clean, simple, guided path. You're not just sending a file anymore. You're sending a smooth experience that ensures you get everything filled out perfectly on the very first try. And hey, it's not just for signatures. You've got a whole toolbox here. You can drop in a text field for things like their printed name or address. My personal favorite is the date field. You place it, and it automatically fills in the exact date they sign. So cool. No more squinting at handwritten dates. You can also add checkboxes for things like agreeing to terms and conditions. Once you've placed all your fields, just hit that big Done button at the top to save your work.
So your template is built, it's saved, and it's ready for action. Now let's walk through just how ridiculously easy it is to actually use it with a client. Okay, so you're back in your templates list. Find the one you just made and click the Send for Signing button. Now, this is important. The first thing it asks for is a name for this specific document. You're not renaming your template, you're just naming the copy that's going to John Doe. A good habit is to name it something like Contract John Doe to keep things organized. Then, just type in your client's email address, maybe write a quick custom message if you want, and hit Send Document. And you're done. A process that used to take you 10 minutes now takes you 10 seconds.
And here's the golden rule, the most important thing to remember. The template itself will stay intact and ready for reuse. When you send that copy to John Doe, your master template is still sitting there, completely untouched, ready for Jane Smith tomorrow. It's a non-destructive process, which means you do the work once and reap the rewards forever.
So what does your client see? They get a professional email with a link. They click it, and the system walks them through every single field you created. They type, they click, they sign. And the second they hit that final button, you both get an email notification with the final signed PDF attached. It's all automatic, all tracked, and all done.
So we've walked through the how. We've seen all the clicks and the buttons. Now let's talk about the payoff. Let's talk about the why. What does all this actually do for you and your business?
Well, you don't have to take my word for it. Let's go back to Ben, our photographer. He said it streamlines and speeds up his process with clients. And that's the key right there. It's not just about saving a few minutes. It's about removing friction and making your business run smoother and look more professional. And it works for everyone. You've got Jessica Kelly, a CEO, saying it makes remote contracts easy. You've got Yana Nassar, a realtor, who just loves that it's simple and it works perfectly. No matter what business you're in, the result is the same. Less time on paperwork, fewer errors, and happier clients.
And this is really what it all boils down to. Getting that document sent, signed, and returned in less than 2 minutes. Just think about that. What used to be a whole process of downloading, editing, emailing, and waiting is now faster than making a cup of coffee.
So, I'll leave you with a question to think about. What is that one document in your workflow, that one form or contract that you're always fiddling with? What is the first document you are going to turn into a time-saving template? Pick one, give it a try, and I promise you, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Thanks for tuning in to The Explainer.